If we take two solutions, one is acidic and the other alkali, and mix them, what will be the result? By now we should be able to answer that it will gives us salt and water will be released as the byproduct. Now that this happen every time, I mean, will an acid and alkali will always give us salt and water? Yes, it will always be like this. An acid when combined with the base will always give a salt and water. And what this reaction called? Does it have a specific name? Yes, it does. It's called a neutralization reaction. Here, the strength of both the acid and a base are lower. They are brought to a neutral point. Intensity of the acid as well as the base are dropped lower. The best example to study a neutralization reaction is the formation of sodium chloride, or simply put common salt. If we take hydrochloric acid and combine with sodium hydroxide, then the neutralization reaction gives us sodium chloride and water is obtained as the byproduct. The reaction also liberates lot of energy in the form of heat. This is how every neutralization reaction works. Acids and a base combine to give salt and water with heat generation. But looking at the reaction of sodium chloride formation, you may say that neutralization only occurs in the laboratories. When acids and bases are combined in a test tube in a lab, it's only then a neutralization process occurs. Is that the case? Actually, that's not the case. Neutralization reactions are a part of our daily lives as well. Many reactions occurring inside the body or even throughout the day are neutralization reactions. For example, we usually find elders complaining about acidity or ants biting us on the skin. These are the examples. When the percentage of acid increases inside or in the body compared to the normal value, such cases are treated with medicines. But have you wondered how this medication works? Needless to say, they work on the principle of neutralization. Next, let's have the glance of the various examples of neutralization reaction in everyday lives. Thanks for watching the video.